All right, this is example 2. I have a couple different examples in this one, but this one comes up sometimes, and it's just like we did with systems. If it's an equal sign, we're going to solve it a similar way in the calculator. And we're going to type everything we see before the equal sign into the calculator and everything we see after the equal sign. So I have 5, open parenthesis, 3 minus x, and then I hit enter. Tab, type the second one in, minus 2x plus 6, enter. Find out where they cross. You hit menu, analyze the graph, and then intersection. And then this is that click, slide, click, and the answer is 3. So I look here, and I only have one that's positive 3, so that's my answer. Now, if both of these were positive 3 and it was just the opposite signs, then you're going to have to take this a step further. You're going to have to go to the calculator part, and in place of x, you're going to have to look at this, and it says x is greater than 3, so you pick a number that's greater than 3, such as 5. X is less than 3, so you pick a number that's less than 3, such as 1. And then you're going to substitute in place of x a 5 and in place of x a 1. So just in case they have two of the exact same answer, that 3, then you're going to have to check. And so how do you check? You type in 5, open parenthesis, 3, minus, and then in place of this x, I'm going to put 5. Control divide. I hit my symbol. It's right here. And then minus 2, x again. I'm still putting in 5, plus 6. And then when I hit enter, it says true. So because that's true, that's going to be my solution. And if I do that for the second one, and this time I plug in 1, place of 5, I put 1, enter, it comes out false. So I would know this is not the correct answer. Okay, the one that's true would be the correct answer. Okay, here's a problem for you to try on your own. So you should have came to the calculator. You should have typed everything before the equal sign in. Negative 2x plus 6. Enter. Tab. 2 times x minus 5. Enter. Menu. Analyze the graph, which is number 6. And then you're going to find the intersection. This is the click, slide, click on the touchpad. And the x value is 4. So it's one of these two. Okay, it's not this and it's not this. Then I have to take and say x is greater than 4. So x is greater than 4, then x is 5. If x is less than 4, then we can say x is 3. Then we go to grab a new calculator, and then we type in, now if you hit the minus here, again, this is the one time and maybe 2 times that I ask you to use a little negative, is when we're starting off on the calculate part with a negative. X, we're plugging in 5 for the first one, plus 6, control, equal, gives me my symbol, 2 times x, whoops, not x, we're replacing x with 5, minus 5, enter. And that's true. Okay, and so that would be my correct answer. And then I could come in here and change these to 3. And that one's false. So B would be the correct answer.